Yeah, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you on how to fix loose probe. This is what I'm saying. When you plug in your probe like this, it ought to stay firm. But if yours is not behaving that way, that means you have to resolve it. That means this port is slack. You can see it. All my ports are slack. So that doesn't mean you should go and buy another new one. There is always a way. So what you will do, get a soldering lead. Cut some parts there. These are some of my parts I've cut. Fold it into 3 or 4 places. Okay. See, I'm folding that of mine now. Okay. Then cuff it. Get a shape like this. And put it inside. And this is the position for my cone, my negative. So put it inside. Okay, it's inside my cone now. Then I'll put this probe inside. You can see? Now you can see the difference now. Standing firm now. Okay. Okay. Now the second one, this one also is not staying firm. So I have to fix that. So just put this one into 3 or 4 places, any way you decide to. Okay. So sorry, that lead is messed up already. Okay, let me cut another new one. Okay, 3 or 4 places. 1, 2, okay, 3. So cuff it. See the way I did mine? So put it inside now. Don't let it fall inside. Just put it and hold it firm, then plug it in. So you can see it now, standing firm. The 2 of them are firm now. Okay. Okay. So now let's test maybe it's working or not. So let me put it to my booster sound. So now I believe you can hear that. Okay. So that is how to fix issue whenever your probe is not standing firm. Just put in your soldering head and you fix it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do well to like and subscribe, and do well to share to some of your friends. See you next time.